Hello, and welcome to Dystopian Electronics Workshop. Today, we're going to take a look at repairing this Enttec OpenDMX USB to DMX adapter. Every year, more than 20 tons of electronics are thrown away. At Dystopian Electronics Workshop, we harvest this waste stream to build cool experiments and upgrade our workshop. So today, what we're going to do is try and repair this Enttec Open USB to DMX adapter. I was plugging some lights into it the other day and it stopped working. So we're going to open it up and see if we can figure out what's wrong. Open this up and you can't really see it on the wide shot, but there is a little tiny microchip right here that has fried. S485AB STMZ023. So I'm going to see if we can look it up, order a replacement part, and we'll try and swap that out. We are driving up to Mouser Electronics. We're going to pick up some of our electronics for our next project. So here we are at the Welcome Center to be cool to the employees. I'm going to go ahead and stop recording, but I'll show you what we get when we come back out. What I have here are my replacement parts from Mouser. I'm going to open this up. And there are two little chips. I put these chips in a reel for pick and place machines, but I'm going to be doing this picking and placing by myself. Let's go ahead and pop these out. That thing is tiny. Now you may be wondering why I got two, so I figured it doesn't hurt, just in case, to have a backup. And who knows, if this goes well, maybe I want to build my own. Before we get started, one thing I wanted to show you is this is my standard soldering iron tip. And this is what we've been using for all the project we've done so far. But this is a very small SMD component. So instead, we're going to use my SMD soldering iron tip. I've actually had this for years and years, but I have never used it to solder an SMD component onto a board before. I've used it to desolder quite a few, but this will be the first time we've ever soldered a SMD component onto a board. So we'll see how that goes. Okay. Solder. I'm just going to work my way back and forth. Oop. And that's removed. There's that on the tip of my finger. Let's get this pad cleaned up. Okay. Should be good. Yes. Test it out, see if it works. All right, so here it is hooked back up to the computer. Here's our lighting software. Let's see if this works. All right. That's all we have for this week. Hope you enjoyed the episode. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be informed when we have new episodes available. In the meantime, you get out there and do something. And share with your friends if you want.